channel, guys. Today we got a really exciting one. 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. Actually, this is an AT4, I'm sorry. Check it out. First AT4 I've done, I guess, like this. Really cool color on this one. It's getting a McGaughys lift kit. I know it's getting some Nitto tires and probably some 24-inch wheels. Customer supplying the parts for it, but check this thing out. Very nice color. This is very similar to Ford's Glacier, but I'm not sure what GM calls this color. If you know, let me know in the comments, because I really do like it. This one's about to go 9 inches up. We got the truck finished. The 2024 GMC 2500 AT4. This is my first AT4 with a new refreshed front end that we've done a big lift, tires, and wheels on. And in the earlier part of the video, I had said something about the customer supplying all his parts. It really was because I didn't remember exactly what I had on the schedule that day. At that point in time, I had just walked outside and saw the truck. But now I can tell you the exacts on it. This is a 7 to 9 inch McGaughys kit. The customer did bring it to me, but it's the same kit that we would install, same part number and everything. This is a set of 24 by 14 TIS 547B wheels. I did sell him the wheels. He brought me a set of tires that he had just taken off of his other truck, so that's why the tires look old like this, but they're next to new as far as the tread wear goes, so truck will still ride good and everything like that. But let's talk about the overall presentation, man. This color, this is, he told me the exact GM color that it was yesterday, but I don't remember. This is the exact same color that Ford uses on theirs, called Glacier. There's a Toyota version of it, there's a Ford version and a GM version of it, so it's really nice. I think Dodge even does it too. But this looks really, really cool. The AT4 has a little bit different badging on the side. The part that sticks out to me the most is the grille. I think the grille of this truck ties in perfectly. And even though it looks really, really good now, the customer is going to color match this truck. Most of the places where you see like black right here, especially these flat black fender flares, Jesus, why do they do this? They should have made those gray from the factory, but he's going to get those all color matched. The step on the side right here is going to be color matched. The bumper inserts will be color matched. Once he gets that done, this will be unstoppable. This truck will be really, really cool. Perfect height with a 9-inch McGaughys kit. We did have to do a little modification on the front bumper and fender to make everything fit as we usually do. So nothing out of the ordinary there. Is pretty routine. But all in all, I think we got a nice build. The cross member of this McGaughys kit is unmatched in my opinion. It has the chrome accents with it, you know, gloss black paint and all that. Everything you need to lift this truck is in this kit. It's a 7-inch kit that's adjustable to 9 inches. The only pieces that you really have to add to do 9 inches on one of the 2500s, it's very recommended that you do these upper control arms. Then a torsion key that goes right there that raises the truck 2.5, 3 inches more than usual. And then in the back we do a shim pack that is added to the bottom part of the leaf spring. You should be able to see it right there. There's the leaf pack. Gives you adjustability from 7 to 8 to 9 inches. TISs look pretty good. This is an entry-level wheel. It's a little bit cheaper than most of your forged wheels. It really looks good on the truck. So once again, guys, I really appreciate everybody watching. You guys make this possible. I've said it 1,000 times and I'll say it again. See you back next week.